We are writing equations of lines. There are three common ways to do this. We are given the slope and the y-intercept. When you know m and b, use y equals mx plus b. Substitute m equals -2 and b equals 5. The equation is y equals -2, x plus 5. This time, we know a slope and a point. Use point-slope form. Plug in x1 equals 2, y1 equals -3, and m equals 4. Simplify to get y equals 4x minus 11. Now we are given 2 points. First, find the slope using rise over run. The slope is 2. Use point-slope form with either point. Simplify to get y equals 2x plus 1. Know what is given. Choose the correct formula. Write the equation.